friends, welcome to the Expertsedge. So we are into the ShortCAT series, that is 1 minute methods, and the topic going on is geometry. Geometry again triangle, right? The triangle is our 8th session, and in this session which we will be doing is angle related problems. So what are the angle related? There are two specific questions which are slightly difficult and which has some shortcut as well. Again, I'll reiterate कि we don't want to waste yours as well as our time discussing a very simple question कि vertical angles क्या होता है, right? I am sure that 50 days बचे CAT के लिए, you must be aware of all the basic questions, right? So in this session we'll be discussing about external angle in a triangle and star problems. So what is the external angle? This is external angle theorem कि अगर ये मेरा triangle है तो this particular angle is known as external angle, that is D. This theorem says external angle is equal to sum of the two opposite interior angles, right? A plus B. So D is equal to A plus B, right? So if I say, let's say just an example, this is a triangle और अगर ये मेरा angle X है, ये मेरा angle Y है, so this particular angle that is A, let's say this will be X plus Y, okay? So I hope this external angle theorem is clear. It's a very simple one, but it has good application and very favorite of CAT. Okay, now let's solve this question. What it says that AD is equal to CD is equal to BC. Okay, and angle BCE, this angle is 96. Okay, now you must be knowing that in a triangle, if sides are equal, the angle opposite to them will also be equal. So if I suppose this angle as X, so in triangle ACD, it is opposite to CD. So opposite to AD, my angle should also be equal to X, right? So this is nothing but X. Now, looking at triangle ACD, what will be the triangle ACD ka exterior angle? Exterior angle will be angle CDB, right? I hope you can visualize this part. So let's say if so this part, that is AC, and in this triangle, so this will be my exterior angle, right? So this is the exterior angle. So how much it will be? It will be nothing but, if this is X, so this will be 2X. So अगर ये 2X हो, and I know CD is equal to BC, right? So अगर BC के opposite 2X है, तो I can say this should also be equal to 2X. Now, this 96 is exterior to which triangle? Can you see that the 96 is exterior to triangle ABC? So if I say this is A, this is A, B, C. So this will be what? Exterior angle will be nothing but 96. So it should be equal to what? This exterior angle should be equal to the interior angle. So that is X plus this 2X should be equal to 96. That is X plus 2X should be equal to 96. 3X is equal to 96. मेरा X हो जाएगा 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 32. But he is not asking X. What is he asking is angle DBC. And what is angle DBC? So angle DBC is equal to nothing but 2X. So my answer should be 32 into 2, 64 should be the answer. Okay. So I hope this is clear. Simple sa question tha, but pretty important one. Okay. Let's go to the next question. So question number 2. Now, in this question, what is saying is asking A, what is given is AB is equal to BC. Okay, let me start it. AB is equal to BC. Suppose if I take this angle as X, right? तो अगर AB के opposite X है तो BC के opposite X है तो AB के opposite this angle will also be equal to X, right? Okay, now तो इसका एक्सटीरियर एंगल कौन सा होगा? ट्रायंगल एबीसी का. ट्रायंगल एबीसी का एक्सटीरियर एंगल होगा एंगल सीबीडी, राइट? सो दिस शुड बी द एक्सटीरियर एंगल. हाउ मच दिस शुड बी? दिस शुड बी नथिंग बट दिस एक्स एंड दिस एक्स. so this should be equal to 2x. Okay, now if this is 2x, I know which two side I have used. Which two side? Let me just take it. AB I have used is equal to BC I have used. Okay, 3 more to go. Now use CD. CD शुड बी इक्वल टू BC, राइट? तो अगर ये मेरा BC है और ये CD है तो इस ट्रायंगल में अपोजिट एंगल शुड बी इक्वल. CD के अपोजिट अगर 2x है तो BC के अपोजिट भी दिस एंगल शुड बी 2x, राइट? So this angle should be 2x. Okay. Now CD. Now CD is equal to DE. This CD is also equal to DE. CD is also equal to DE. Then in that case, and also ED is equal to EA. Just let me see. This is EA. And this is ED. Great. तो मुझे दिख रहा है EA and ED. If you see in triangle AED, right? In triangle, just let me highlight it. In triangle AED, ED के अपोजिट x है तो AE के अपोजिट भी x होगा, right? So that means AE के अपोजिट भी मुझे x लिखना चाहिए. So this part will be technically x and this will be then x because the total is 2x. Okay. So अगर ये x है, I can say that my ये जो triangle है EAD, इसका exterior angle कौन सा होगा? इसका exterior angle होगा DCED, right? This वाला. So it would be nothing but addition of this x and this x, right? So that exterior angle, that is angle CED should be x and x 2x. ठीक है, तो अगर ये 2x हो, I know CD is equal to DE, तो अगर CD के अपोजिट 2x है तो ED के अपोजिट भी 2x होना चाहिए. So this angle should be nothing but 2x, right? और ये x है तो ये x हो जाएगा. So I got all the three vertices. I know in a sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So that is angle A plus angle C plus angle D should be equal to 180 degree. What is angle A? Angle A is nothing but x. What is angle C? 2x. And angle D 2x. That is equal to 180. So that is x कितना आ जाएगा मेरा 180 degree by 5. 36 degrees should be the answer. Okay. So I hope this is clear. This is a generic way. अगर इसी टाइप का क्वेश्चन है, you have a very good shortcut. Please remember that. I'm erasing this. Okay. So if such question comes, you can remember this shortcut. What is the shortcut says? कितने साइड्स इक्वल है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. तो my answer would be total angle of a triangle is 180 degree divided by number of equal sides. So what are the equals? This is nothing but number of equal sides. So अगर ये पर्टिकुलर सेम टाइप का ही क्वेश्चन हो तो ठीक है, और उसमें ऐसा वाला आपको एंगल मांगे जो डिवाइडेड नहीं है, जैसे एंगल C इज डिवाइडेड, एंगल D इज डिवाइडेड, वो नहीं, जो बचा दैट इज एंगल A. अगर आपको ये चाहिए, इट वुड बी नथिंग बट 180 डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स. Number of equal sides. So in this question, how many sides are equal? 5 sides are equal. So 180 by 5, you can get 36 degree as the answer. Okay. So I hope this question is clear. Okay. Now let's solve the same question which came in CAT earlier. Okay. Okay. If you see this CAT 2000 question, can we solve it first by the shortcut? What was the shortcut? Just let's try it. आता है क्या? फिर एक बार जनरल से भी देखते हैं. शॉर्टकट में क्या था? 180 डिवाइडेड बाय नंबर ऑफ इक्वल साइड्स. क्या इक्वल साइड्स है इसमें? कितने साइड्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it should be 180 by 7, right? 180 by 7. 7 2s are 14, right? 40 बचा, 7 5s are 35. उसने मांगा है nearest multiple of 5. So 25 should be the answer. Third option. Okay, he is asking angle DAE only, that I said जो divided वाला नहीं है, angle A, right? So in this type of question, this shortcut will work. Let's do by general method as well. Okay, shortcut हमेशा काम में नहीं आता है, तो आपको general पता होना चाहिए. ठीक है, so what I'll start, AB is equal to BC. This AB is equal to BC. So अगर मैं AB के आगे यहाँ पे x लिखता हूँ BC के अपोजिट, तो AB के अपोजिट this part will also be x, right? And external angle will be what? Angle ABC का external angle होगा angle CBF, that is 2x. अगर ये 2x है, I know CB, let me जिसको यूज कर ले उसको सर्कल कर लेता हूँ. AB I use, BC I use. अब BC के साथ I can see CD. Is CD there? Yes. So BC is equal to CD. That means CD के अगर 2x है अपोजिट तो BC के अपोजिट भी ये 2x होगा. ठीक है. Now can you see triangle ACD? Just let me highlight if needed. Triangle ACD. What will be the exterior angle to this? Exterior angle will be nothing but CED. CD का कितना होगा? CD will be nothing but this x and this 2x. So x and 2x, this will be what? 3x, right? Similarly, if I want to note another triangle, अच्छा एक और चीज है, 3x किसके इक्वल होगा फिर? Which side I used? Just let me see that. CD. अब CD के opposite is CD and DE, right? So अगर मेरा CD DE के अपोजिट 3x है तो CD के अपोजिट भी ये एंगल 3x होगा, राइट? उसमें से कौन कितना क्या है वो मुझे नहीं पता, बट CD के अपोजिट भी 3x होगा. नाउ वन मोर. दिस इज 3x, दिस इज ये 2x एंड जस्ट सेकेंड. एक और ट्रायंगल हम कौन सा मिस कर रहे हैं? जस्ट हियर आई हैव यूज्ड CD, आई हैव यूज्ड DE side. Now this 3, right? EF. Where is EF? E and F. Okay. ठीक है. This is EF. This should be equal to what? EF should be equal to FG. ठीक है. EF should be equal to FG and GA. GA. Okay. We got it now. So अगर ये वाला एंगल AG, right? AG and FG. FG के अपोजिट x है तो AG के अपोजिट भी ये वाला एंगल x होगा, राइट? अगर ये एंगल x है so I can say this angle will be what? Angle CGF, it will be 2x, right? Because it is an external angle. अगर ये 2x है and I know that GF is equal to FE, तो अगर FE के अपोजिट 2x है तो this should also be 2x, right? और अगर ये 2x है तो this would be x because the total is 3x, right? Okay, and similarly this would be x. So now if you do the total angle of this is should be 3x plus x. So कितना होगा ये? That is nothing but 7x should be equal to 180 degree, right? So x should be equal to 180 by 7, and that is what we got. This is the nearest multiple of 5 comes out to be 25 degrees. ठीक है, that is the answer. So I hope this question is clear by both the methods, but similar question है तो you can use that thing. Okay, now let's go to the next question. Just yeah. Now in this question, these are the star questions, star problem कि इसमें कैसे आना चाहिए. Again we'll discuss by two methods. One is a shortcut and one is a general method. So first let's do by general method. ठीक है, इसके दो तीन तरीके होते हैं, बट कभी क्या होता है इसमें, कभी ट्रायंगल रेगुलर होगा, कभी रेगुलर नहीं होगा. रेगुलर मींस ऑल साइड्स आर इक्वल. जरूरी नहीं है, रेगुलर नहीं भी हो सकता है ये स्टार. ठीक है, और ट्रायंगल स्टार. कुछ बेसिक यहाँ पे रिक्वायर्ड होगा तो आई जस्ट गो थ्रू इट. फर्स्ट, कोई भी पॉलीगॉन, for any polygon, what is the sum of all interior angles? Sum of all angles is nothing but, please remember this formula, n minus 2 180 degree, right? जैसे अगर मैं ट्रायंगल की बात करता हूँ, ट्रायंगल में कितने साइड्स है? ट्रायंगल हैज 3 sides, so 3 minus 2 1 into 180, it has 180 degree, right? Similarly quadrilateral के सारे एंगल्स का सम कितना होता है? 360, right? If I keep it 4 here, 4 minus 2, that is 2 into 180, 360 degree. So this is the general formula for sum of the all angles of any polygon. Okay, so I'll use this formula. There are other formula as well, you can get each angle and so on, but अभी मुझे ये formula की जरूरत, I'll use this. So just a second. Now see here, how will I do it? Let's say this point as 1, let's say this point as 2, let's say this point as 3, this point as 4. This is we are discussing a general method, okay? And this point as 5. Now लेट्स टेक, मैं 1 से अगर मैं ट्रायंगल देखता हूं, मैं 1 से कौन सा ट्रायंगल बनेगा बताओ, ये 1GC1, राइट? आई कैन मेक दिस ट्रायंगल. सो angles of the triangle will be 1 plus C plus G, and sum of the angle of a triangle is nothing but 180 degree, right? So this is one thing. Second, 2 से कौन सा बनेगा? If I want to trace by 2 से बनेगा ये E, I, and this is E, right? So from 2 I'll get 2 plus I plus E, right? So again this will be 180 degree. Similarly 3 से बनेगा, 3 से what it will be, now I think you can visualize 3 से from this point I'll get this A and G, so A and G 180 degree, right? Then 4 से होगा, from 4 C and I 180 degree, and 5 से होगा, 5 से I'll get A and E, right? So if I add all of them, what will I get? I'll get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, right? And ये A और E ये बाकी सब कितने बार दिख रहा है? A is twice, C is twice, I is twice, and G and E. And 180 कितने बार आएगा? 5 times into 180, right? Now what is this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? This is nothing but the angles of the polygon. And which polygon it is? This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is exactly nothing but a pentagon, right? So if I just highlight this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's what? 5-sided figure, pentagon. Pentagon के सारे एंगल का सम क्या होगा? अभी हमने देखा था sum of any polygon is n into 2 n minus 2 into 180 degree, right? So it would be nothing but pentagon का sum, that is this angle 1 till 5. It will be, pentagon is n is 5 minus 2, that is into 180, so 3 into 180 degree, right? So this will come out to be 3 into 180 degree, should be equal to twice of the required angle, that is A plus C plus I plus G plus C. So ये 5 into 180, ये minus होगा 3 into 180, so what I'll get is the next step 2, A plus C plus I plus G plus E should be equal to 5 में से 3 है, right? Because ये minus होगा नहीं, ये 5 times 180 है, 3 times 180 है, उधर जाएगा, minus होगा, that will come out to be 2 into 180 degree. So 2 gets cancelled out. So final answer which should I get is, what is asking, sum of the angles of this A plus C plus I plus G plus E should be 180 degree, should be the answer. Okay, so I hope this generic method is clear. Okay, you can use it. Now obviously it will take some time, 2-3 minutes sort of, but believe me, it's a hardly 10 to 20 second question. Okay, so how will you do this? Just remember, कभी भी अगर ऐसा स्टार वाला क्वेश्चन आए तो रिक्वायर्ड एंगल, दैट इज दिस A plus C plus I plus G, that is angle A, angle C, angle E, angle G, angle I, not this is not less than this angle. So required sum of angles is equal to, just remember this formula, n minus 2 into number of gaps into 180 डिग्री. ठीक है, ये कोई भी स्टार प्रॉब्लम में चल जाएगा. ठीक है, यू कैन रिमेंबर दिस, अच्छे से याद रखना. अगर आया कभी मॉक में इधर उधर पक्का दिखेगा आपको क्वेश्चन, हार्डली 10 सेकंड क्वेश्चन. नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गैप वर्ड, है ना, यहाँ पे जो वर्ड गैप लिखा है मैंने, उसका मतलब क्या होता है वो समझते एक बार. व्हाट इज द गैप मीन्स, लेट्स से पॉइंट ए पे आप खड़े हो, पॉइंट ए से स्ट्रेट आप कहाँ जा सकते हो? पॉइंट ए से स्ट्रेट इधर यू कैन गो टू ई और यू कैन गो टू जी, राइट? दोनों में से कहीं भी जा सकते हो स्ट्रेट, कोई टर्न नहीं लेना है. तो सीधा एक तो आप ई पे आओगे, राइट, या सीधा आप तो एक जी पे जाओगे. ठीक है, लेट्स से मुझे ए से ई जाना है, तो अगर मुझे ए से ई जाना है, मुझे कितने जंप्स लेने पड़ेंगे? लेट इट अंडरस्टैंड द एनालॉजी ऑफ जंप. ए टू सी आई विल गो फर्स्ट, दिस इज माय गैप 1, and C to E then I'll go, this is my gap 2, right? So कितने गैप्स लगे A to E जाने को? 2 गैप. सिमिलरली आप A to G जाओ, बट आप यहां से जाओगे, you will always take the shortest way, A to I 1 jump and I to G, right? So I hope this formula is clear. Now just let's put up the values. So how many sided star it is? N is the number of vertices. It is a 5 pointed star, right? So my N will be equal to 5. so n is equal to 5. So it is 5, 2 into how many gaps we got? Gap 1, A to C and C to E. So that is 2. 5 into 2 into 2, that is 180 degree into 180 degree. So answer is 1 into 180. Final answer is 180, right? That is what we got. Okay. So I hope this is clear. It's a very important formula and very important question. Okay. Let's solve the next question. I will suggest please pause the video. Try by both the method. Okay. Shortcut से भी try करो और एक बार general method से भी try करो. Now this is a 7-pointed star, okay? 7-pointed star. So क्या होगा मेरा आंसर? मैं एक बार फॉर्मूला रिपीट करता हूँ, n minus 2 into number of gaps into 180 degree. ठीक है? So कितने गैप्स से कोई भी एक वर्टेक्स पकड़ लो. Let's say I pick up A से straight कहाँ पे जाऊंगा? A से straight I'll go to C, right? Straight. How many gaps are required? A to B I'll take one jump, that is gap 1, and B to C I'll take again another jump, that is gap 2. So 2 gaps are required. So my answer would be, and how many pointed star it is? 7 pointed. So n is equal to 7. So my answer is 7 into number of gaps is 2 into 180 degree. So 7 minus 4, so 3 into 180 degree. So the correct answer of this question is 540 degree. Okay. So I hope this is clear. A very easy question they are. Just remember it. Okay. Now, take it 2 to 3. Okay, as I was saying, this is not a regular star, you can say, right? So फिर से 7 pointed है, but इसमें और उसमें difference है, हाँ? Please pause the video. You can go back to the last question. It's not the same star as we have done in the last. So क्या होगा again? Let me last time repeat the formula. N minus 2 into number of gaps. You repeat with me, जिनको याद है. Into क्या था? 180 degree, right? How many pointed star it is? 7 minus. Let's see gap. Let's say A. A से मैं कहाँ जाऊँगा straight? A से straight मैं पहुँचूँगा D पे, right? See how many jump I need to go to D. एक gap, एक jump लेना पड़ेगा मुझे. This is gap 1. B to C another gap 2. And C to D, this is another gap 3, right? So I need to take 3 jumps, or the number of gaps are 3. So 7 minus 2 into 3, 180 degree. ठीक है? तो don't ratify कि 7 pointed का star का आंसर हमेशा 540 degree और नहीं. It depends कि star किस टाइप का है. So 7 minus 6 answer should be 180 degree. ठीक है? Can you see? Just 10 second में solve हो रहा है. Okay. Now let's take one or more 2 questions are there, I think. Yeah. Now quickly tell me, I'll just write the formula. 6 pointed star. So answer would be 6 minus 2 into number of gaps. How many gaps are there? Let's say F. F से मुझे B जाना है. कितने jump लूँगा? This is 1 and this is 2. So basically 6 minus 2 into 180 degrees. So 6 minus 4, answer should be 180 into 2. So correct answer of this question is 360 degree. Okay. चलो लास्ट क्वेश्चन. यू शुड ट्राई. ओके. बाप रे, तो गंदा सही स्टार है, बट बिलीव मी बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. मैं डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला लिख रहा हूँ. कितने पॉइंटेड स्टार है? 8 पॉइंटेड स्टार. सो 8 माइनस 2 इंटू कितने गैप्स है? ए से लेट से मैं डी पे जाता हूँ. सो आई विल टेक जंप 1, जंप 2, जंप 3, राइट? 3 लेने पड़ेंगे. तो 8 इंटू 2 इंटू 6, 8 माइनस 2 इंटू 6 इंटू 180 डिग्री. सो 2 into 3. So total will be 8 minus 6. 3 gaps are there, right? मैंने तो लिखने में कर दिया था. So basically answer should be 2 into 180, 360 degree. Okay. So I hope you got this question. तो कभी भी अगर मॉक में या कहीं भी आए तो you should get it, right? कुछ भी doubts हो, you can reach to us via Telegram group or you can comment. Okay. चलिए, thank you. Thanks a lot.